Hey, good Monday morning, Southern California. Welcome to a brand new work week. Unfortunately, our weather pattern is staying the same. The heat that's been around last week is staying all this week and potentially beyond, but want to focus in on the next couple of days because believe it or not, it is going to get even hotter. Your new week weather headlines, as you pour that first cup of coffee this morning, shows that the heat is going to continue to build here over the next couple of days with the hottest stretch of weather expected between Wednesday and Friday. Now, something you've probably noticed if you live along the coastline, especially from the 5 westward, it's foggy during the mornings. What's going on with the heat, the fog? Well, there's a very shallow marine layer because of the heat. That marine layer only about 500 to 1,000 feet off the ground. It is essentially forming over us during the late overnight hours, and that's leading to some of the fog. So repeat case again tonight into Tuesday morning. Meantime, there's a slight chance of some showers and thunderstorms over the San Diego County mountains and deserts here, both today and again tomorrow, which you'll see in just a second. Plenty of heat alerts to go over. We'll start first in Imperial County in the pink. That is an extreme heat warning that is in effect now through Saturday at 8 p.m. for the San Diego County desert floors. We also have an extreme heat warning through 8 p.m. on Friday, and then a tier below that is a heat advisory for the San Diego County valleys until 10 a.m. on Tuesday. That includes Escondido, La Mesa, Julian, and Pine Valley. Now, you're probably wondering, well, what happens on Tuesday morning? Does the heat go away? Well, no. That heat advisory is going to be replaced with an extreme heat watch, which signifies the potential for even more dangerously hot temperatures between Tuesday and Friday. That's when the watch is in effect. For the coast, we're talking about temperatures in the upper 80s to low 90s. In the valleys, we'll be up to about 102, 103. And in the mountains, yes, we'll be making a run for 100 degrees. So scorching everywhere, all across the board. Let's talk about futurecast. For today, we know we're starting off warm and muggy this morning. Monday, today, is going to feature the most humidity that we're going to see all week long. So because of that, air temperatures may be a little lower this afternoon. It's going to feel hotter, though, because of the humidity. So a higher heat index, and then some of those storms bubbling over the mountains this afternoon. They'll be short-lived, but yes, they may produce some gusty winds. Those storms die out once the sun fades, and then tomorrow morning on Tuesday, we'll start off warm, muggy, everybody in the 70s. From the valleys to the coastline in San Diego County, 80 for Julian, mid to upper 80s in Imperial County. As we head into Tuesday afternoon, just a very slight chance of a shower over the mountains. Meantime, we're trying to make a run for 117 in Brawley, same with El Centro, 114 in Salton City, about 100 in Escondido, mid to upper 80s along the coastline. So you can see this is the type of heat wave where even along the coast, we're really not escaping the heat. Wednesday morning starts off toasty, and then it's brutally hot by Wednesday afternoon. I mean, look at this. Some of the data suggesting we could try to go for 120 in Brawley, El Centro, 117 in Salton City, just not feeling good at all. 100 La Mesa, 103 in Escondido, low 90s along the coastline is a very real possibility. You're noticing here on Wednesday, there could be a thin layer of high clouds. If that's the case, I think we won't reach the highest potential maximum temperatures, but it'll still be hot no matter what. Here's the heat risk by the National Weather Service for Thursday as we kind of jump ahead a couple of days here. It goes kind of 1 through 4, and 4 is the extreme. That's purple. You can see that purple slips into the San Diego County metro area, almost all the way out to the coastline. It covers much of Imperial County. That is really intense. Anytime you see an extreme heat risk, it's a big deal. Same with a major heat risk. That's in red, and a lot of San Diego County, a lot of Imperial County covered in that. Similar story for Friday, extreme heat risk for the San Diego County valleys, some spots along the coastline as well, and then stretching into Imperial County too. So buckle up. Dangerously hot weather is here, but it is going to get hotter over the next few days.